In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 online side hustles that you can start with your significant other. Now, why with your significant other? Because, well, honestly, it's just a whole lot of fun building something that you and your partner can do together that's going to support the dream lifestyle that you want to live. And why an online side hustle as well is because it gives you the 3 L's. It gives you lifestyle, it gives you leverage, and it gives you love. So for lifestyle, once you build a side hustle online, it can provide the finances and the time back for you to live the lifestyle that you want to live. And with leverage, it allows you on an online side hustle to set up automations, set up systems that can be running without you technically working. And that while they're running, they can produce income and then give you your time back as well. And with love, you can build an online side hustle around the things that you love to do, your interests, your passions, whatever that may be. There's opportunity to build an online side hustle around those things that really just make you feel amazing and give you a lot of fulfillment because you're doing something that you love to do. And on bonus, you're building it with the person that you love the most. So if you're new here, my name is Heidt. My wife and I, we've been able to build our own online side hustle over the past few years, to which now it's become our full-blown business. We originally got started doing digital marketing services. So we'd help clients, specifically e-commerce brands and people who had some kind of coaching services, sell their products online through digital marketing. And now we've been a little bit more smart on how we approach our side hustle because in order to scale our side hustle, it takes a lot more time to find more clients, but we focused more on digital products and the 5 side hustles that we're going to share with you today. So to get right into it, side hustle number 1 that you can start with your partner is a YouTube channel. Now, why a YouTube channel? YouTube is absolutely incredible and probably the best platform to put out content that can reach others. Now, Google, who owns YouTube, also has YouTube, who pays its creator 55% of its revenue. So the opportunities to make money through YouTube, there's a lot of them. But to give you a few, there's obviously you can have what's called AdSense, and AdSense will be like when an ad plays on your video. And then YouTube will pay you for that impression or for that view. The second way you can make money on YouTube is through affiliate links. Now you can have there's a lot of different affiliate programs, which we'll dive into in 2 more side hustles. But anything that you own right now, you can sell as an affiliate link. And the more specific and niche you can get, it's going to attract that type of audience, to which then you can promote, affiliate links to sell through your YouTube channel. The third way is brand sponsorships. Now, brand sponsorships, of course, is if a brand reaches out to you or you reach out to a brand to feature their product in one of your videos. And the last one is what we like to do the most here at New Heights, my wife and I, is we like to sell products or our own services. So you can build a YouTube channel around whatever you want to sell, whether that's a digital product, which we highly recommend, or you actually have like a physical product or an e-commerce store that you can, promote and make videos around and reach those people. So the opportunities for a YouTube side hustle are awesome, and they also give you that lifestyle, they give you that leverage, and they give you that love. Now, the second side hustle that you can start online with your significant other is a blog. Now, YouTube is probably more for the extroverts, even though I've seen a lot of successful introverts do the YouTube channels. A blog is really if you are introverted, if you really have a passion for writing and creating, you can create a blog that is around a specific niche of your passions. And then in that, you can monetize it quite a few ways as well. Number 1, you can sell your own digital products in there. So if you're in a niche specific blog, you can create you can create a digital product around a result that somebody can get by purchasing your digital product. The second way you can monetize it is through affiliate links as well. Now, like I mentioned in YouTube, any product, anything that you have in your house right now, you could probably sell through an affiliate link. So if you are building a blog around something that you're passionate about, whatever that may be, there's products out there that you can use affiliate links for that you can then sell. The next thing is also what's called AdSense. Now, Google, just like they do on YouTube, they'll pay you to put their ads or people's ads on your blog. Now, sometimes maybe you've been on a blog site where just like you can't even read the content because there's so many ads, but that's what AdSense is. And people click on those and Google pays, the company that pays Google to get those ads on your blog and then pay the creator to do that. And then of course you can also sell services, e-commerce products, whatever that may be for you through your blog. Now, the third thing that you can do is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing goes in a lot, but you can do a YouTube affiliate marketing channel. You can do a blog affiliate marketing channel. You could even just start an Instagram that is around a specific around a specific, passion or interest that you love to talk about or you love to share. And then you can find the affiliate links for that. Now, there's also 2 types of affiliate programs. There's low ticket items and then there's high ticket items. So to give you an example of both, The low ticket item is something like, yes, you have in your house, you have this wonderful new product that you bought off Amazon. Now, Amazon has an affiliate program to which then you can sign up for, you can get a link to that product, and then you can promote it through your social media, through your Instagram stories, through Facebook, whatever that may be. And there's lots of low ticket affiliate programs like that. Now, there is high priced products on Amazon. I mean, there's Walmart, there's Best Buy, there's a lot of these affiliate programs that will then pay you for their products. But a high ticket affiliate program is something that you sign up for, that you purchase, whether that's a course or that's a coaching program or anything in that, or even a software that has a higher lifetime value for that business. Now, as you finish the program or you go through the course, you then can turn around and sign up as an affiliate, and then you can promote the product yourself, to which then gives you a much higher commission than those of the low ticket products. Now, you can sell this through YouTube, through blogs, through your social media, anything like that. But that is building an affiliate business around things that you're passionate about. And with affiliate as well, another big thing is that leverage, is that you don't have to find the time, sourcing products, dealing with customer service, dealing with the fulfillment, anything like that. What makes it simple for you is that you have these products and you have the links for them, to which then you drive traffic through your social media. Now, traffic is just eyeballs and people who click on your stuff. And then after they purchase, you get a kickback from the company that has the affiliate program. So affiliate marketing is another great online side hustle that you can start as well. If you want to learn how we built our online side hustle and how we built it, there's a little link in the description called, there's a guide that we've made called Work From Anywhere. And we just share some of the things that we've been doing with digital marketing and digital products, and how you can find these products that you can sell, so you can build your own side hustle online with you and your partner. Now, the fourth online side hustle is what's called a print-on-demand business. Now, this gives you leverage, and you can build something around it that you love. Of course, the lifestyle as well. So for a print-on-demand, it means that you can print products or print designs on products that are made that then can be what's called drop shipped to customers. So for instance, we do drop shipping in our business. We make apparel. So I have hats, I have sweatshirts, I have t-shirts, things like that. Now, you can get a little bit more niche specific, whether you want to make t-shirts or you want to make shoes or you want to make wall decor, anything like that. The opportunities are pretty endless when it comes to print on demand. But from there, it's going to require, a little bit more like a Shopify store, things like that, to where you set up your designs, you find the products, which you can use an app called Printful that will integrate directly into a Shopify store. And then you set up the designs on the products that are within Printful. Now, they can be hats, they can be shirts, they can be sweaters, or like I mentioned before, there's a lot of different products. And then from there, once you have your products made, you can then start to market them through social media, through your YouTube channel, through your blog, things like that. Now, I'm sure you're starting to see a lot of trends here, is how they all can integrate together, all these different side hustles you can start online. But with the print on demand, that's all it is. You're selling physical products that you put designs on. And a lot of couples that I know that have done this have had a lot of fun, because they are either, one of them is really good at graphic design, and one of them is really good at just the technical stuff, and they can combine their skills together to make these digital products, and then they promote them. Well, they also wear them. Like, I'm always wearing New Height stuff all the time. So that's what I do. I drop ship these products to not only myself, but to customers who buy them as well. And now the last one, the last side hustle that you can start online with your partner, is what I believe is the best side hustle you can start right now. And it's selling digital products. So there's 3 different ways you can sell digital products. You can extract knowledge that you already have. I don't care if you work any type of job, you have some sort of knowledge that helps a customer achieve a result. Now, you can extract that knowledge and you can put it into anything from an ebook to a PDF to a little mini course, anything like that, that can help a customer achieve a certain result. Now, more specific, you can help a specific customer who has a specific problem achieve a specific result. And with digital products, it gives you the leverage, because once you make a digital product, you are able to set up the systems and the automations that deliver it automatically. So if someone comes in, 1 o'clock in the morning and buys a digital product from you, they're going to automatically get it from you right then and there and have access to it immediately, because We all like things. We all like access and getting our stuff very fast. So that's one thing that you can, that's the one way you can do digital products. Now the two other ways you can do digital products is what's called master resale rights and private label rights. Now let's say you don't want to create a digital product. Now master resale rights and private label rights is very similar to affiliate. It's a product that's already made that you're going to then sell as your own. But what makes it different than an affiliate product is that affiliate, you only get a percentage of the sale. Now, when you sell a product that you've bought the master resale rights to or the private label rights to, you can sell that product as your own and keep 100% of the profits. So whatever niche that you're in, there are lots of different products that you can find that have master resale rights to them and private label rights. Now, to get a little bit more specific on what those two are, master resale rights, when you buy the master resale rights to a product, you can sell it as your own product, but you are unable to rebrand it as your own product. Now, when you buy a private label rights on a product, you can change the branding to your own. And you can update it and change it all the way that you want to match your brand, to match your store, whatever that may be. And then you can sell that as your own as well. So digital products, we've started to implement this a lot to our business, and it's just been absolutely fantastic. Like we've been able to take the knowledge that we have and be able to reach more people and help more people get specific results rather than just trying to take on clients or things like that we have to actually do the work to do. We can just have them do it themselves rather than us do it for them. So that's the power of a digital product, the leverage that it gives you and the time it gives you back after it's created. And of course, it's going to produce the money, which then in over time can produce the lifestyle that you want to have. So those are 5 online side hustles that you can start with your significant other. And why build with your significant other? Like I mentioned, it just makes life so much more beautiful when you are doing something together. You are both building for the dreams and for the future that you both want to have. There's no more, the opportunity to spend time together and build a life that you love as a family makes it, the online side hustle makes that much more reality. I believe that we're in the digital age. We no longer have to work 2 separate jobs. We spend 8 hours away from each other. We come home, we have barely any time with our wife or husband or boyfriend or girlfriend. And then if you have kids, you have barely any time with your kids. So that's why I believe that an online side hustle, specifically selling digital products or any of the other ones that I've talked about as well, can give you all 3 L's. It can give you the lifestyle, it can give you the leverage, and it can give you the love that you are looking for in building something that you are passionate about. So I hope this video helped get you started. If you want to learn how to actually get started, as I mentioned, there is a link in the description. You can download our free guide called Work From Anywhere. And you can reach out to us on Instagram or send me an email, and we would love to help you get started in any way that you can. And if you want to learn why digital products are the best, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn the 3 L's, a little bit dive more into the 3 L's of an online side hustle, you can watch this video. I appreciate you. See you later.